In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the view range in a floor or ceiling plan. If parts of your model seem to vanish in plan or you're seeing too much, the view range is almost always the key. Think of it as a vertical slice through your model that tells the software what to show in a particular plan. We'll walk through opening the right view, finding the view range controls, setting the critical levels, and confirming the results so you get exactly what you need on screen. Start by opening the floor plan or ceiling plan you want to adjust. It's important that you're in the specific view where visibility needs attention because view range settings are saved per view. Once the view is open, look to the Properties palette on the left side of your screen. This panel controls how the current view behaves. Scroll down until you find the entry labeled View Range. Click the Edit button next to it to open the dialog. This is where the magic happens. You'll see four key settings: top, cut plane, bottom, and view depth, each of which defines a horizontal plane at a certain height. The top sets the upper limit of what the view can consider. The cut plane is where the view actually slices the model to show cut graphics like walls and windows. The bottom sets the lower limit of the primary view range. View depth extends visibility a bit farther, mainly to catch elements below the bottom that you still want to see with simplified graphics. Use the level pickers to anchor each plane to a story level or reference and then apply offsets for precision. Offsets are perfect when you need the cut to be a specific distance above a level, such as cutting a floor plan at roughly 4 feet or 1200 millimeters to capture doors and windows properly. Keep the hierarchy logical. The top should be above the cut plane and the bottom should be below it. Only use view depth when you truly need to reach elements beyond the bottom, like low beams or footings, to avoid clutter. Click OK to apply your changes. Now review the view. You should see certain elements appear or disappear depending on your settings. If windows aren't showing, try raising the cut plane. If ceilings or high beams are missing in a ceiling plan, lift the top. Remember, these changes don't delete anything, they only control visibility in this view. If the results still aren't right, reopen the view range and fine-tune the levels and offsets until the drawing reads clearly. With a few adjustments, your plan will show exactly what you intend.